Hi there. Today I'm going to share with you how to take a picture or a scan of this document and turn it into text so you can edit it and work on it. So I take a picture of my phone here and just turn this into a text. So if you are ready, come with me. Let me share with you how I did it. Okay, now let me show you how to take the picture and turn it into a text. First, you need this app here. This app, you need it, Office app. If you are using an iPhone, go to your App Store here and type Office. Okay, you get it here. This is it, Office, Microsoft Office. Go click on it, open. Then here we have, this is the Office here. So all these are documents I've worked on. So now here is the magic. The magic is here. Go to action here, tap on the action, and now you will see the functions of the Office. We have sign a PDF, so you can write a document with PDF and sign it through your phone, or scan to PDF. From here you can also scan a document like this one I have here and turn it into a PDF, or take picture and turn it to PDF. Another one, document to PDF. You can see it. So the magic one here, we are going to use image to text. You can see it here. Extract text from your picture here. This is it, the magic one. So click on it. Click on it. So your camera is ready to take the pictures. So let me show it to you. This is it. This is my test where I want to take the test. Just let me position it well. Okay, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, let me retake it. It didn't take up the app. Okay, let's do it quickly. Okay, now it is perfect. As you can see, it has captured all. So if you confirm now, it will just convert it. Confirm, extracting. You can see it is extracting it. Okay. Okay, as you can see, you have it here. Grammar 15 example. The same thing from the paper I snapped. So if you can see, let me just, okay, now you can see you have it same thing from the book. Okay, so here you can copy all the text. I have it. Copy the text, copy it, see, copy it, and you can also share it here, like this one, share wherever you want to share it. You can share it via your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your WordPress, your Telegram, or wherever you want to share it. So this is how it is done. So after that, I've copied. Let me see if I can send it to. Okay. Oh, it is already here. As you can see, it is here. So this app is very, very useful. Take advantage of it. And let me remind you, if this is the first time you are here, please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you very much. See you next time.